Hi, I'm Unni. I'm the Operations Director at Hira Industries. Welcome to Hira. Our products reach a global footprint spanning GCC, India, Southeast Asia, Europe, the US, and beyond. Over the years, Hira has grown from a focused HVAC trading business into a diversified manufacturing and solutions group serving construction and building performance worldwide. Today, Hira Group operates as a connected ecosystem of specialized brands, advanced manufacturing facilities, and strong technical teams. What remains constant is our commitment to engineering discipline, long-term partnerships, and consistent execution. As we expand globally, operational efficiency becomes as important as manufacturing excellence. Our warehouse and logistics infrastructure ensure materials are handled safely, stored systematically, and delivered reliably, supporting production continuity and customer commitments.
Hi, my name is Hira Pillai. I am Warehouse and Logistics Manager for Hira Industries. When we thought about expanding the plant, we have a big challenge to optimize the space. The biggest challenge was the height. So we need to go vertically to store the material, which is 15-meter height. So when we contact Combilift, they help us to do the drawing, plan the warehouse. So they have suggested us Almaster to utilize in the warehouse to have an effective racking system and more space utilization. We have increased almost 40%. Earlier we have around 1,000 pallet capacity. Now we are going with almost 4,000 pallet capacity, almost double the capacity, which is the biggest warehouse in UAE. And I believe we are the only one having GCC. The Almaster is well equipped with the safety features, which is camera, the laser sensor, and even we can preset the height. So when we preset the height, the operator doesn't want to look at the height, where they want to bin it or pick it. So that helps us to move the operation very fast. We deal with the finished goods and the raw material as well. So the machine should move from one warehouse to another warehouse continuously. I would recommend to opt for Almaster because it's efficient, durable, and cost effective.